Basically, today the topic is La culture, toi el être gratuite. So these are topic for section B, writing task. For example, your topic for a culture. The culture must be free. So now, for example, see in your TEF basically, okay, you have to convince the examiner, obviously in your section B, and your section B writing, you have to go for a letter writing project, right? So,
Yes.
for example, the topic, la culture, the culture, doit être gratuit. It means the culture must be free. See, today I will explain to you, obviously, how to go for a, okay, let's forget about TEF, right? So let's work on the stage shows, like how we can work for stages. Now, for example, you have to present something in front of the examiner. You have to present something in front of the people. You have to go for a stage show in French. Like, for example, you are representing a stage show and there's a topic, La culture doit elle être gratuite. And this is very important topic basically for TEF. The culture must be free. La culture doit elle être gratuite. Now let's work on those clear, like how we can start the language, obviously. Now, for example, today I will explain to you how you can go for a stage show, right? Clear? Now, सबसे पहले, for example, if I will start my, anything, I will say bonjour à tous, bonjour et bienvenue dans ce débat. Clear? So let's repeat after me. Bonjour, bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans ce débat. It means welcome, bonjour à tous et bienvenue and welcome to this debate. Bienvenue dans ce débat and welcome to the debate. Now, voilà un long moment déjà que je réfléchissais à lancer. See, this is a very important template again. Voilà un long moment déjà. Voilà, there is que je réfléchissais. Now, what is réfléchissais? Tell me, team. Have you done réfléchir verb? Réfléchir? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
So, réfléchir is my verb to go for a deep thinking. Réfléchir. Now, repeat after me. Réfléchir. Now, over here we have lem parfait. If you start like that, I've been thinking about starting this discussion for a long time. I've been thinking about. See? Now, how to use this concept in English? I have been thinking about starting this discussion for a long time now, but I hesitated. So voila, a long moment. Repeat after me because we're
Okay.
working for the again template. Voila, a long moment. What I would say, Harpit ma'am, this is how
Yes.
we're working for an arguments, right? Like you're getting confused, like how we can come up from these arguments now, because I will explain to you a lot of templates wherein you can use in the arguments.
Yes.
Okay. So voilà, along Momo, déjà que je réfléchissais à lancer cette discussion, mais j'hésitais, j'appréhendais. Et puis je me suis dit, allons-y et réfléchir mille ne sert à rien. Very important. Now listen to me very carefully. Voilà un long moment déjà que je réfléchissais. It means voila, here, I've been thinking about lancer. Lancer basically is my verb to launch, to start. A lancer. To start this discussion, but I hesitated. Okay. J'appréhendais and I was apprehensive. Et puis, je me suis dit, And then I said to myself, we use in the term of section B, oral, allons-y, let's go. Y réfléchir milon, the seh arien. It means let's go. Thinking it about for 1,000 years is useless. Now, team, listen to me. Namish, whenever your jury is not get convinced, but you will say, "Oh, thinking, you will only think. And that is a totally wasted and useless. You will think. If you not take steps towards to, whatever you want to convince to the examiner.
Yes.
Right? So if you'll say, okay, that's fine. J'appréhendais. I was apprehensive. Et je me suis dit. And I said to myself, okay, je me suis dit, this is something like you are doing a stage show, but you cannot apply je me suis dit. But allons-y. Y réfléchir mille ne sert à rien. Now, for example, you have to convince me to participate in a volunteer programs. Volunteer programs, Benevol, right? You know Benevol, we already have done, right? I will say, no, I don't have time to participate in this. Je n'ai pas le temps pour participer comme le bénévole. Non, je n'ai pas le temps maintenant ici. Alors, allons-y. Réfléchir, and I will say, let's say I will say, okay, I will think about it and I will let you know. I will say, okay, j'y penserai. I will think about there. Okay, j'y penserai. J'y, j'y penserai. What is that? J'y, we have there, right? Team, is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Meher is a very important topic. Clear, this type of topic will help you in your B1 also. I will think about it, I will let you know. So you will say, okay, mais allons-y, mon ami, et réfléchir mille ans ne sert à rien. It means to think for 1,000 years is useless. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
So repeat after me. Bonjour, we are doing a stage show. And this stage show you have to play in front of the camera. So you tell me, मैं आपको कुछ बहुत सारे अभी topics, ये जो topics है, will work on this. And if you will present the same in front of the camera, it will give you again a confidence, because obviously you have to face the examiner. So now we'll do the live activities. So repeat after me. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans ce débat. Voilà alors mon mot déjà que je réfléchissais à long de cette discussion, mais j'hésitais et j'appréhendais, puis je me suis dit, allons-y, réfléchir mille ans, ne sert à rien. Can you speak up, please?
Bonjour et bienvenue dans ces débats. Voilà un long moment déjà que je réfléchis à lancer cette discussion, mais सर इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
J'appréhendais, j'hésitais.
J'hésitais, j'appréhendais, puis je me suis dit, allons-y, allons-y.
Réfléchir mille et réfléchir mille on
Réfléchir mille, on ne sert à rien.
ne sert à rien. What is sert? Basically, sert is my service, is my verb to use. Ne sert à rien is wastage, useless. Is it clear to you? Clear? So let's repeat after me over here. Ici, repeat after me. Ici, j'entends remettre en question. Very important. Namish, is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Ici. Now here we have verb entendre. Entendre basically is my verb to hear. But over here, ici, j'entends remettre en question une idée profondément ancrée dans l'esprit de tout, comme quoi obligatoirement, very importantly. Now over here, j'entends, over here we have mean. I mean a question. Now you say, now for example, say here, I mean that a questioning an idea which is deeply rooted, which is deeply rooted in everyone's mind, that जो भी आपका topic होगा should be blah blah blah, and there will be a flag of the questions. Now, team, listen to me very carefully. If your examiner will say, okay, no, 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 I don't have blah, 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 or either this is a letter writing arguments also you can apply. Now, you see, now, for example, here, I mean, j'entends, I mean, remettre. En question, I mean to put in the question, a questioning an idea, which is profondément. Profondément, basically, we have verb to deep, deep, profondément, deep. Ancré, we have rooted, deeply rooted. Now, for example, there's a problem which is deeply rooted. Now, for example, utilization of private vehicles instead of using public transport. It means utilisation les véhicules privés au lieu de transport public, clear, instead of the public transport. So this is something we are using the private things which is deeply rooted in everyone's mind, that that blah 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 should be blah blah blah, whatever the topic should be. So now today we are working for the culture because this very important topic which might exist in your examination. So ici j'entends remettre en question une idée profondément. Here I mean the question, an idea deeply rooted, une idée profondément ancrée dans l'esprit de tout comme quoi. It means here I mean the questioning an idea which is deeply rooted, profondément ancré dans l'esprit de tout. It means deeply rooted in everyone's mind. That culture, comme quoi obligatoirement, that culture should be necessarily free. La culture devrait être gratuite. Car au fond, very important concept, pen down, team में बहुत important चीज है, car au fond. Car basically we have used for because, because basically, tell me, can we use in English because basically? Tell me, please.
Yes.
So what to say in French? Because basically, car au fond. Because basically, la question n'est jamais discutée. But basically, the question is never discussed. Et moi and me. Je me méfie. I am beware. Méfie. We have verb some méfie is to beware. Je me méfie. Very important. I am beware of comme de la peste des questions. So it means I am wary of the questions that never discussed. Qui ne qui ne sont jamais discutés et considérés comme acquis. Acquis, we have verb to acquire, taken for comme acquis son débat. It means which is never discussed and comme acquis son débat, which is taken for the granted without debate. It means which is like the acquired without debate. So team, now repeat after me, please. How we can come up with the, arguments. Ici, j'entends remettre en question. Repeat after me. Ici, j'entends remettre en question. Here, I mean a questioning. Une idée profonde. Now, if you will say, here I mean, this is a problem which is deeply rooted in everyone's minds, that blah 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 and your topic. So what you will say? Ici, j'entends remettre en question une idée profondément ancrée dans l'esprit de tout comme quoi obligatoirement, because we're working for a culture अभी. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको आ रही है, आप बोलोगे इसी से c'est un grand problème qui remettre en question, which is to re-put in a question of an idea, une idée profondément ancrée dans l'esprit de tout. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
क्योंकि टीम यू नो व्हाट, आपको B2+ स्कोर करना है, B2+ स्कोर करने के लिए you have to show something else. So ici j'entends remettre en question. It means here I mean a question, an idea which is deeply rooted in. Now, for example, in English you will say, this is a big problem. This is a big concept which is deeply rooted in everyone's mind. C'est a notion. Notion, we have concept, have it done? C'est un problème qui est profondément ancré dans l'esprit de tout. It means which is deeply rooted in the everyone's mind. Tell me, is it clear to you, all of you? ये पूरा clear हुआ आपको? Car or phone? Because basically, la question n'est jamais discutée. The question is never discussed. Et moi, is it clear to you? And me and I, je me méfie comme de la peste. I am wary of the question that are never discussed, qui ne sont jamais discutés et considérés comme acquis son débat, which is never discussed and taken for granted without debate. Comme acquis son débat, which is taken for granted, it means which is acquired without debate. Is it clear to you? क्लियर हुआ टीम आपको ये?
Yes.
अच्छा, कल्चर पे लिखने के लिए आएगा ला कल्चर droit être gratuit, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? There will be a tough to write on the culture droit être gratuit. So for this reason, first we are working for the templates. On connaît les arguments de la démocratisation culturelle. Repeat after me. On connaît, we know. Repeat after me, please. On connaît.
We know.
Now basically अभी हम एक स्टेज शो कर रहे हैं, अभी कुछ हम नहीं लेना तो लेटर कंसेप्ट कर रहे हैं. we're not working for a letter concept, we're not working for oral, we're doing only for a stage show abhi, so that you will at least join your level. Now on connaît les arguments de la démocratisation culturelle, we know the arguments of the culture démocratisation, de la nécessité, which is to be the required, necessary, de rendre la culture accessible au plus précaire. Very important. अच्छा, आप बोलते हो? For example, we know the arguments of the culture which need to make the culture very accessible and which is to be most vulnerable. So what to say vulnerable in French? Now repeat after me. On connaît les arguments. We are working for the arguments. On connaît les arguments de la démocratisation culturelle. Okay. Repeat after me. On connaît les arguments. Repeat after me, please. On connaît
Les
On
arguments.
connaît
les
les arguments.
arguments de la démocratisation culturelle. It means we know the argument of the culture démocratisation. De la nécessité, of the necessity to come back with the culture of to the rendre la culture accessible. It means to make the culture accessible. Or plus précaire, it means which is most vulnerable. Précaire, basically we have vulnerable. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? So अगर आप बोल रहे हो team, it is very important. The culture, access of the culture which is most vulnerable. So what to say? Now it is most accessible. C'est une notion qui est plus accessible ou plus précaire. आप इसको एक template आप लगा सकते हो. C'est une notion qui est plus accessible. Pen down please. C'est une notion qui est plus accessible ou plus précaire. It means, tell me what is that? What is the meaning of this, Arpit ma'am? C'est une notion qui est plus accessible ou plus précaire. What is that? This is the most accessible and the most vulnerable, plus précaire. For example, pour le musée, because we are working for a culture. For example, for the museum, मैं आता रेलमो étudie. अब मैं आता हूँ. Very important again concept. Whenever you ask a question, but have we really studied? Now, for example, listen to me. Your examiner will not get convinced and he will say, okay, that's fine, I will see. He will say, have you really studied the impact of this, which I'm talking about? कैसे बोलोगे? मैं आतो रेलमो थ्यूदी. The impact, le re tombe, basically tombe is my verb to fell down, but over here re tombe is to impact. देखो क्या होता है कि we already have done lot of templates, and with the help of these things you will increase your listening and your reading also, because you came to know now the concept of the language. Re tombe, impact. Now if you will say, did you really, have you ever, if you deny, okay, for example, vous n'acceptez pas, vous n'accordez pas les situations, par exemple. Vous n'accordez pas les situations, les notions, but you're not accepting the situation now, for example. But have we really studied the impact of this thing? What you say? Now, par exemple, you say, okay, c'est bien, vous n'accordez pas la notion dans ce débat, dans ce sujet, mais actuellement, tu dis les retombées de cette gratuité. So this is the concept basically. Because we already have done the template, but now we are coming with a major template again to increase your score. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. मैं आता हूँ realmo achiudi le retombées de cette gratuité, but I have really studied the impact of this free admission of me, because we have la culture doit être gratuite. Clear? Les publics les plus précaires, the audience which is most vulnerable, which is most precarious, précaire, sont-ils pour autant plus présentes dans les institutions muséales parce que c'est gratuit. It means, however, they're the most precarious audience more present in the museum institution because it is free. See, you're working for the debate of the culture must be free. So what you know about, what you think about. So repeat after me, team. Can you repeat it, Harpit ma'am? On connaît.
On connaît les arguments de la démocratisation culturelle, de la nécessité de rendre la culture accessible aux plus précaires. Par exemple, pour les musées, m'a-t-on réellement étudié les retombées de cette gratuité des musées? Les publics les plus précaires sont-ils pour autant plus présents dans l'institution muséale parce que c'est gratuit?
Yes. अब जो हमने ये यूज किया है टीम, मैं आ तो रेल में ले रहा तुम्बे, ये this is a concept of your B2+++ scoring. Now we use le blah 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 et plus accessible et plus précaire. This is a B2+++ score. See, earlier we were working for the TEF. Now we are working for the scoring. Now how we can increase the scoring? You already know the concept, but over here we'll work for the scoring. So for in order to increase the scoring, you have to use this type of concept. Pour autant, however, which is more present dans les institutions muséales parce que c'est gratuit. Is it clear to you? Tell me. Now, may I rub this? Now again, repeat after me, the ma'am. बोलो टीम, इस कनेक्टिव के थ्रू आपको शुरू करना है. Whatever you are speaking and writing, you have to apply the connectors. The mem, it means likewise. Ato reflechi o retombe symbolique de la gratuité culturelle. टीम ये ना आपको पूरा प्रैक्टिस करना है इस जो भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ये. And if you really want to speak like if you really want to come up with your confidence, like because you have to present yourself in front of the examiner, so you can participate with me in a stage also, because tomorrow onwards we are going to start a stage show in French, wherein मैं आपको उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करूंगा कि कल्चर, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम स्पीकिंग फॉर ला कल्चर, वन सेकंड प्लीज, या वन सेकंड प्लीज. Okay, so now for example, one will speak for the culture must be free, and one will speak for the culture must not be free. And you have to use these things, whatever we are working over here, right? Clear? इससे क्या होगा, एटलीस्ट आपको जो आपका रीडिंग कंसेप्ट है, बिकॉज विल डू लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग ओवर हियर. Obviously you are learning the language, you are doing a lot of vocabularies, right? So अब जैसे आपने एक जो टॉपिक अभी जो किया है, अभी आपने what you have done précaire. Now you came to know what is précaire. What is précaire? What is précaire?
Vulnerable.
Say Claire. मैं आता हूँ realm में थ्योरी लेजर tombe, but did you really study the impact? So कैसे बोलेंगे फटाफट, मैं आता हूँ realm में थ्योरी लेजर tombe. So इस वजह से आपको प्रैक्टिस करना मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ साथ. Clear? The même likewise a réfléchi aux retombées symboliques de la gratuité culturelle. Repeat after me. The même likewise, we have a thought. A-to réfléchi. Have we a thought? It means the même likewise. A-to réfléchi. Have we a thought? मतलब have we? We have, on a, nous avons. A-to, have we? Because c'est la questionnaire. A-to réfléchi? Have we a thought? Au retombée symbolique de la gratuité culturelle. Have we a thought about the symbolic symbolic de la gratuité culturelle? It means, have we a thought about the symbol of this culture free? Ask. Now I'm using again, is it a good thing? So ask une bonne chose. Is it a good thing? The conditionné des millions de jeunes. It means the condition of the millions of the young jeunes à considérer que la culture c'est forcément gratuit et ça leur est due. It means, what is that? It's saying, good answer, na? The mem likewise, ato reflechi, have you think about, ato reflechi. Now, for example, you say to your jury in an informal conversation, ato reflechi, have you think about? Clear? The mem ato, team सबको समझ आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा हूँ? Tell me. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So because we are working for, see how, acha, tell me, how you can speak French the moment you start yourself in English, the moment you start yourself in your native language. So you have to do these type of practice. The même ato réfléchi au retombées symbolique de la gratuité culturelle. Likewise, have we thought about the symbolic, the symbol of the culture, the free culture? Et c'est une bonne chance. And is it a good thing? The conditionné des millions de jeunes. Is it a condition of a million of young people are considered to consider que la culture, that a culture c'est forcément, is forcefully free, gratuit, et ça leur est due. And is there a due? D-U-E, due. You know, due, is there a due? Comme faire comprendre aux gens, very important. Comment faire? Now, comment faire comprendre aux gens? It means how we can make the people understand. You say in English, how we can make the people understand. Tell me. In order to apply the arguments, you will say how we can make the people understand. Comment faire comprendre aux gens? Namish, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So Namish, you have to work for B2 plus. See, जो previous template हम लोग कर रहे थे, that is again a good template, but B2 plus plus को चाहिए, which is more equivalent to C1, right? तो उस condition में जाने के लिए we cannot limit, हम एक limits में नहीं रह सकते हैं, we have to cross beyond the levels. So, comment faire comprendre aux gens? How can we make the people understand que la culture est une économie? क्योंकि आपको सेक्शन बी में कैसे आपका फ्लो आएगा? Whenever you will do a stage show, clear? So पूरा practice हम करेंगे. Comment faire comprendre aux gens que la culture est une. Now, for example, one people is there, two persons sitting in the stage, and we'll say comment faire comprendre aux gens. How we can make the people understand? Que la culture est une économie. That the culture is an economy. Comme les autres, like the others, qui a besoin de rémunération, it means which need the remuneration. Si on leur dit depuis la plus tendre enfance, it means si. Now, par exemple, si on leur dit, si if we tell them since childhood, le plus tendre tendency, tendre enfance que la culture doit être gratuite. It means si on leur dit depuis, si on leur, very important. On dit, on leur dit. If we tell them, si on leur dit depuis, la plus tendre enfance que la culture soit, la culture ça doit être gratuit. It means if we tell them since childhood that the culture must be free, the year, and besides, the year basically what is that? Very important connector, and besides, moreover, and besides, partir du principe que si l'entrée du musée est payante, les plus pauvres ne s'y présenteront pas. What is that? And besides, partir du principe. Partir is my verb to leave, but partir du principe care to start from the principle. Que si l'entrée, that if the entry of the museum, que si l'entrée du musée est payante, is paying, les plus pauvres, the poorest, pauvre we have poor people, pauvre, the poorest, ne s'y présenteront, will not show up there. N'est-ce pas? What is n'est-ce pas? Isn't it? Tell me, n'est-ce pas? Repeat after me, n'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas we use, isn't it? N'est-ce pas une condescendance? Condescendance we have, you know, a condescendance, the class particulièrement. Now, team, we have very important concept, condescendance. Now, condescendance, basically we have humility in English, right? Civility, courteous. So what to say courteous in English, in French? Condescendance. Is it clear to you? Agréable, agreeable, condescendance. So if you see how we can cross B2, B2 भी नहीं हमने करना है, B2 plus score चाहिए. So whenever you will use these type of, you know, vocab, condescendance, the classe particulièrement mesquine qui s'exprime par là. For this reason, dramatically we entered. अब हम इस वे में अपनी लैंग्वेज को करेंगे. It means which is particularly the class condescendance which is expressed by this. Is it clear to you? Now over here we have mesquine qui s'exprime par là. Is it clear to you? Which is particularly the meaning which is to be expressed and himself by that. Qui s'exprime par là. Is it clear to you, team? All of you? All of you, is it clear to you? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
clear? आपको इसका पूरा practice करना है. Harpreet ma'am, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now then we have brief, मतलब in short, we'll say, you know, in brief, because you have to speak up. आपको क्या करना है team? Entire sessions under recording. You have to listen the session at least 7 to 8 times. In short, brief, say clear. Brief, basically we have in short. Sana vuzora patr pa eshape. It may not have escaped you. कैसे बोलेंगे हम इस सेंस को? It may not have escaped you. Whenever you are working for an argument, whenever you are working for, because दो ही तो चीजें हैं टाइप में टीम, या तो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स है या कन्विंसिंग है, बाकी तो बहुत सिंपल है कंसेप्ट. टेल मी यस एंड नो टीम, टेल मी यस एंड नो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो वही तो हम काम कर रहे हैं. It may not have escaped you. The jury will say, no, hello, listen to me. मेरे को नहीं करना ये. It may not have escaped. You cannot escape from this. तो कैसे बोलेंगे, कैसे वो B2 प्लस आएगा? सन वो जोरा peut-être pas échappé. Obviously यहाँ पे tu आप लगाओगे because that's an informal conversation of section B, oral. So ça ne tuera peut-être pas échappé. It may not have escaped you. Je ne suis pas un fervent défenseur de la gratuité de la culture. वो कह रहा है कि I am not fervent of the defender of free culture. Defender de la free, car because because in my opinion, ये बोलने हैं इन सब चीजों को, in my opinion, c'est derrière à des retombées particulièrement néfastes. Néfaste is a very important vocab for B2++ score. Néfaste sur l'attitude des gens vis-à-vis is a very important concept.
Face to face.
Vis-à-vis the lah. What is that? Because in my opinion, repeat after me, team.
Car à mon sens.
Bref, repeat after me. Car à mon sens, in my opinion, the set derrière, the letter LA is not letter of letter, letter. It is LA, later. A des retombées, that is impact particularly néfaste. Néfaste sur l'attitude. Néfaste, basically, we use a vocab for harmful. Néfaste. Néfaste, basically, we have harmful. Néfaste, which is harmful upon the people attitude. Vis-a-vis. Vis-a-vis, basically, we have towards. Vis-a-vis. ये have concept आगा. Vis-a-vis is a very important concept. The more you use car à mon sens, c'est derrière des retombées particulièrement néfastes sur l'attitude des gens vis-à-vis de l'art. It means, because in my opinion, the letter has particularly harmful impact on the people attitude towards art. Towards what is that? Devant. कई बार हम यूज करते हैं दवो is in front of and दवो l'art. Okay, it's fine, but दवो is very, very normal, you know. The one you started just your B1 कि बस हमने B1 start ही किया तो that is the one, but cross the level of B2++, that is vis-a-vis the lah towards the art. Tell me, is it clear to you, team? जो मैं concept बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, tell me please. See, I'm just trying to explain to you. You see, obviously, see, Acha, what is the template over here? We have the template. We have sana chiora peut-être pas échapper. You cannot might escape from this. Je ne suis pas en faveur défenseur de la. I'm not really in the favor of to defend something in the culture of free education. Sorry, the culture of the free culture, basically. Because in my point of view, the later, this is a very bad impact about the attitude towards the art. So, yeah, for example, your jury will say no, 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 no. So what is that? It means it is showing the negation towards the title. So what you'll say? Cette dernière a des retombées particulièrement néfastes sur l'attitude de gens. It means your jury will have attitude of negation, right? The vis-a-vis the blah blah. That लाख नहीं आएगा, फिर टॉपिक जो भी आपका होगा वो आप टॉपिक लगाओगे फिर. मैं je ne suis pas contre. मैं je ne suis pas contre l'idée, but I'm not against the idea. Mais je ne suis pas contre l'idée de lire des arguments contraires, but I'm not against the idea of reading contrary arguments. Is it clear to you, team? Clear हुआ team आपको? All of you, is it clear to you, Harpreet ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, because Namish, did you compare? Namish, compare
Yes, sir.
the templates which we have done and which we are doing right now, because yes, अगर आप इनका see, once you will mix all the templates, it will give you a very beautiful concept of the language.
Okay.
Now, for example, we have a next thing which is c'est pourquoi, that is why. J'ouvre ce débat. I'm opening this debate. Je vous invite donc à exprimer. Now, over here, c'est pourquoi, that is why. J'ouvre ce débat. I open this debate. Clear? Et je vous invite, I invite you. Donc à exprimer. Exprimer vos avis. Express your opinion. I invite you. Now, अब मैं आपको बोलूंगा. देखो हम स्टेज शो करेंगे इसमें. देखो नमीश, I have seen and team, I have seen lot of times like you have the templates, but sometimes speaking में flow नहीं एक बार वो catch कर पा रहा है कई बार. अब वो speaking flow catch करने के लिए स्टेज शो हम लोग करेंगे जिससे कि आप एक लेवल इंक्रीज हो. So person will say je vous invite, okay, I invite you donc à exprimer, to express your opinion sur la question, upon the question, upon the matter. On évitera. Évitera, basically we have avoid, éviter. Éviter, pen down please, we have up to avoid. On évitera de préférence les emportements sentiments. It means we should preferably avoid the sentiments. Emportement. We prefer to avoid the sentiment outburst. Les emportements. Repeat after me. Les emportements. Emportement, we have outburst sentiments. You know, if you say, okay, I just want to avoid these outburst sentiments, what to say in French then? On évitera de préférence les emportements sentimentaux. If you say we should preferably avoid this outburst sentiments. Now, for example, your jury will say no, 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 no. And you'll say, hello. Come up with your outburst sentiments that you are just sticking on this thing. So what to say? I think we should avoid. Repeat after me. On évitera. Repeat after me, please. On évitera the préférence, les emportements, the outbursts sentiments. Je sais que, I know that certains ont accord, certains ont accord l'idée de gratuite. It means, mais je sais que, I know that some people have the idea of gratuity at heart. It means कुछ people के लोगों मन में ये है that should be a free. In their heart, there should be a free thing in their heart. But it doesn't mean that that who are against must be, you know, the qualified. Now ये आपको बोलना है अभी, बोलो मेरे साथ, क्योंकि जब आप स्टेज शो करोगे तो आपको उसके टॉपिक पे बोलना है. जैसे on evitra de preference, repeat after me because I'm preparing you for a stage show. On evitra de preference, repeat after me. On evitra
Evitera de preference,
les hommes portent mon sentiment. Les
les emportements sentimentaux.
It means we should preferably avoid the outward sentiments. If you will Jodi, अगर मैं convinced नहीं हूं तो hello, avoid your outward sentimentals. Je sais que certains ont d'accord l'idée de gratuité. It means I know that some people take the idea of free charge by heart. By heart. You say, I'm working by heart. It means what? It means I'm working from my within. So je sais que what to say within? If I say I'm working from my within, it means I'm working by heart. Tell me yes and no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
In French. Je sais que certains ont d'accord. It means l'idée de gratuité. I know that some people take the idea of a free charge by heart. Mais ce n'est pas pour autant que ceux qui sont contre doivent être qualifiés au bout de échange de réactionnaires. Very important. But ce n'est pas, this doesn't mean that those pour autant que ceux qui, that those who are ceux qui we have who, ceux qui, pour autant que, that those, repeat after me, pour autant que ceux qui sont contre, ceux qui, basically those who, मेरे साथ बोलो, those, pour autant, repeat after me, pour autant que we have that those, ceux qui, those whose. It means that those who are pour autant que ceux qui sont contre, that those who are against, contre, doivent être qualifiés, that must be qualified after two reactionary exchange. Okay, that's fine. इसको अभी हटाओ. इसको आप अभी करोगे. इसको आप पढ़ो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मैं ce n'est pas. Mais ce n'est pas. This is not for those pour autant que. Repeat after me. For those who are against for this. अब टॉपिक आ रहा है, आप कह रहे हो कि no, this is not, that doesn't mean that for those who are against for this topic. No, it's a question here. The point of exchanging the ideas. So il est question ici d'échanger des points de vue, to exchange the ideas. Is it clear to you? Pas des invectives. Is it clear to you? So pas des, इसको भी हम हटाते हैं, इसको सिंपल हम बनाते हैं. Okay. Now over here, now for example, बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना टीम, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेम्पलेट्स को हाईलाइट करोगे. जैसे आप बोलते हो आप, but this doesn't mean that those who are against, that only must be, you know, entering in this project. But yes, everyone can enter, because this is an point of this is an exchange point. Basically we can exchange the culture, we can exchange our point of views, right? So repeat after me. मैं, अच्छा ये कहीं भी आप लगा सकते हो. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी जूरी कन्विंस नहीं हो रही है और आप बोलोगे ये उनके लिए नहीं है जिनको ये करना ही करना है, ये एक सिर्फ मैं अपने आइडियाज एक्सचेंज कर रहा हूँ आपके साथ. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये ठीक है, इट्स फाइन, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. तो हाउ टू स्पीक इन फ्रेंच? रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मैं सनेपा pour autant que. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मैं सनेपा. रिपीट आफ्टर. कि नमीश, ये कंसेप्ट है which you will score, you will look forward for your scoring. मैं सनेपा pour autant que, Repeat after me. Ce n'est pas pour ceux qui sont contre. Repeat after me. Mais
n'est pas pour un concours.
ceux qui sont contre doivent être qualifiés.
Les questions.
Il y a des questionnaires. Il est question ici d'échanger des points de vue. It means there is a concept of the exchange the point of view. क्योंकि आप अपना point of view तो exchange कर रहे हो ना. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
All of you clear हुआ कि अच्छा how many templates we did today? Lot of templates we did today. देखो अभी तो ये हमने छोटा सा एक टॉपिक किया है कल्चर के ऊपर. कल्चर के ऊपर ही एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है. जब आप तो अभी इसको ठीक है इसको आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो, राइट? बट वी हैव अ थिंग wherein there is when you never accept. Now for example, if I will say okay pour moi je pense effectivement. देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. देखो यहाँ पे ना ये टेम्पलेट टीम ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं आपको इस पे हम लोग काम करेंगे. अब जैसे if I will say je pense effectivement, for me I think very effectively qu'elle doit être gratuite. It means I think very effectively that it should be free, that culture should be free. Is it clear to you? But one person will say no, na jamais, never, jamais. And one will say non, la culture ne devrait pas être gratuite. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? La culture ne devrait pas être gratuite. Jamais. Non. So यहाँ पे फिर आपकी क्रॉसिंग चलेगी टीम. क्लियर? अब उससे पहले क्या करना? Whatever we have done today. क्लियर? मैं आपको ना एक फॉर्मेट पे भेजता हूँ, एक लेटर फॉर्मेट पे. रुको, जो लेटर फॉर्मेट बाद में भेजूंगा आपको मैं later on. Okay. Now for example, अब आपको दो चीजें तैयार करनी है इस पे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में. कैसे? सबसे पहले आपको whatever I explained to you today, obviously you will get a recording. You have to understand the concept. You have to apply the connectors. You have to apply the templates. For example, you will say ici j'entends remettre en question une idée profondément ancrée dans l'esprit de tout comme quoi obligatoirement la culture doit être gratuite. What to say? Now, for example, if you say Namish, if you want to say here, I mean that there's a deep, uh, um, this a very important topic, but there's some concept which deeply rooted in the mind of the people in this world basically. But I think we have to come up with the situation. We have to avoid all these things and we have to go for the consideration of blah blah blah. कुछ भी आप बोलते हो तो कैसे आप उस चीज को बोलोगे? Ici j'entends remettre en question. मेरे साथ बोलो सभी. Ici j'entends remettre en question. बोलो मेरे साथ. Ici we have entire concept is in the recording. Ici j'entends remettre en question une idée profondément ancrée de tout comme quoi obligatoirement et la culture doit être gratuite. Because basically this is a question car en fond. हमने किया था car au fond.
Because
Basically
Yes.
clear. Je me méfie comme de la peste de question. I am beware. Je me méfie. Is it clear to you? Je me méfie. Méfier. Basically we have verb some méfier is to beware of. So je me méfie. Is it clear to you? So je me méfie comme la peste des questions. It means I am beware, like the plague of this question, qui ne sont jamais discutés et considérés comme acquis son débat. It means which is acquired without any debate. Is it clear to you? Clear? So team, कुछ कंसेप्ट है which you will study. Clear? So what I will do is now I'm going to share a recording, obviously every demo. You have to watch this recording at least 5 or 6 times, then only you will come to the concept of B2++ scoring. Because sooner we'll do a stage show. Stage में upfront होगा हमारा, clear? दो person, they will sit in the stage and they will speak for the, you know, arguments, conversation. But उसके लिए आपको ये चीजें करनी है. On evitra, it means we will avoid. One can avoid. If you say one can avoid this thing, so what you will say? Tell me. On nevitra, the preference. We should avoid the preference of the outburst sentiments. Outburst sentiments. Les emportements sentimentaux. समझ आ रहा है टीम आपको? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Trying over here to increase your scoring, and that will only be increased with the help of these sessions. Clear? तो सेशन में हैवी नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज में काफी ज्यादा इसमें vocabularies which we have discussed. इसको आप प्रैक्टिस करना and send me your voice recording and take the initiative. जो मैं आपको टास्क दे रहा हूँ उसको आप डेली करके भेजो. I did not get any task. मुझे सिर्फ हरप्रीत मैम का टास्क आया था, उसके बाद कोई टास्क आया ही नहीं. नमीश, आपने भेजा टास्क अपना?
नहीं सर, वो मैंने एक वीडियो रह गई मेरी, और वो कंप्लीट करके फिर भेजूंगा.
ओके. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. सो मैं आपको अभी ये रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करता हूँ, सब प्रैक्टिस करना. क्लियर? ऑब्वियसली देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच नीड टू बी डिस्कस्ड, राइट? सो एक बार इसको डिस्कस करो, आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करो, ठीक है? कल हम इसी में एक लेटर राइटिंग निकाल लेंगे और इसी में एक आर्गुमेंट्स में निकाल लेंगे, इसी के थ्रू. क्लियर? ओके, ठीक है.
यस यस.
क्लियर? एक बार इसको एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो, देन टेल मी कि आपको कितना, आपको अभी तो बहुत सारे, अब जैसे मैं कुछ और भी बोलना चाहूँ, जैसे आई विल से moi favoriser, it means that is less favorable for me. C'est moi favoriser. If I will say surtout pour accéder de la culture, क्योंकि ना टीम, ये टॉपिक है, थोड़ा सा हॉट टॉपिक है टैफ का, जो आ सकता है बिकॉज अभी तक नहीं आया है. एक्सपेक्टेड है ये कि आने का. इसी रीजन से जब ये टॉपिक आएगा कल्चर वाला, उसमें आपके लिए लाइंस बनानी टफ है. इसलिए वी आर वर्किंग फॉर द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. कोई भी टॉपिक हो, वी आर वर्किंग फॉर द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. पता लगा थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के बारे में, हरप्रीत मैम?
Yes.
ठीक है. तो ये कुछ टेम्पलेट्स होते हैं जो हम अप्लाई करेंगे. इसका एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना एंड सेंड मी योर वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग. क्लियर? ओके, ठीक है. एंड टीम, लिसनिंग का जो कंसेप्ट है, लिसनिंग के मैंने आपसे ऑडियो शेयर किए, तो उसको आप करो. लिसनिंग को आरएफई डाउनलोड करके लिसनिंग स्टार्ट करो आप एटलीस्ट. क्लियर? क्योंकि टेफ का इतना वाइडर कंसेप्ट है कि ऑब्वियसली टेफ कंप्लीट हो जाता है, लेकिन फ्रेंच इज अ वेरी वास्ट, राइट? सो इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज द लेवल, मैं आपको कुछ अलग अलग टेम्पलेट में बार बार आपको मैं इन्वॉल्व करवा रहा हूँ. सो जो लिसनिंग कंसेप्ट है, विच वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ लिसनिंग लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस, आई थिंक आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू. आई विल शेयर वन मोर टाइम विद यू. सो गो एंड टेक द लिसनिंग. वहां से आप लिसनिंग निकालो और अपना करना शुरू करो लिसनिंग का. क्योंकि लिसनिंग में अब आपको समझ आ रही है क्या है. आरएफई को डाउनलोड करो आप प्लीज. कल हम आरएफई पे भी थोड़ा सा काम करेंगे, आरएफई पे भी. लेकिन ये कि पहले आप इस कंसेप्ट को करो, सेशन हैवी ना हो, क्योंकि ये भी तो आपको एक ग्रैब करना है अभी, जो कुछ इसमें चीजें हैं. ठीक है? एंड देन विल मीट यू टुमारो. क्लियर? ओके,
Right.
यस
ठीक है. कुछ
यस
सेशन में आपसे मेरे ऑलरेडी अपलोड हुए हैं यूट्यूब पे, देख रहे हो आप सेशंस जो यूट्यूब पे हुए हैं अपलोडेड?
यस.
चलो, ओके, ओवर.
ओके.